In this part, we are going to talk about the collection modules, and we focus on the named tuples and also the counter. So we back to our project files, and we can see this one. And then, for example, if we have a letter, so we just randomly type something here, and then we can use the counter to count how many A's there and how many B's there, and also how many C's are there. So we take a look at the C, the variable C. We can see there are 5A, 3 boy, and 4 C. And if you want to just extract this dictionary, and if you remember, this is a kind of dictionary, we can use dict C. Now we get the dictionary, and we can pick how many number of A by using the dict, and then we put the keywords A there, and then we can get 5. And we can also, by using the c.most command to for sorting. So for example, you can see the it will put the most occurs keywords here, which occur 5 times, and then 4 times, and 3 times. And then we also can get all the keywords by using list C. So we have A, B, C there. And for the named tuple, because if you look at this, you do not have any named there. We can using the named tuples by using the import named tuple. So for example, we create the user is equal to named tuple, and then you can see by pressing Shift tab, you have to pass the type names and also the field names. So now you can have the name there, the field names. So we can let the Kim, this user, has age is equal to 5, and then name is equal to Kim. And then we can see by using type Kim, you can see we have the type user, which we defined here. So for example, if you define this is Apple, and then you have to change this to Apple. This is user, and then we type Kim, you can get Apple. So this is why this has the user type, and because we defined it here, not because of here. And then we can also get the age by just like using JSON. We have Kim.age is equal 5, and we can also, because this is the flow, we can say Kim and then pass the index 0. And then if you want to get them, you can pass the 1 here. So we can get Kim 0 is equal to 5, and Kim 1 is equal to his name, Kim.